Helper, Utah, a railroad and coal town that grew up along the tracks that carved through Price Canyon. Next to the historic Balance Rock Motel sits this weathered stone ruin. Its exact history isn't known, but buildings like this one housed small shops, grocery stores, or boarding rooms for the miners and rail crews who kept the town alive. Helper was built by layers of immigrant families, coal operations in Spring Canyon, and the Helper locomotives that gave the town its name. Today, traces of that past are scattered across the hillsides and back streets. This ruin is one of them, a quiet reminder of the people who worked, lived, and left their mark here. Some sources name the Gigliotti family, but I have not been able to confirm this. Thanks for joining me again, and stay tuned for more.